Want to migrate or manage your store data fast, safe, and without messy CSVs? Import or export products, customers, orders, coupons, reviews, subscriptions, even full store data using clean Excel files. Update prices, stock, customer lists, orders, or subscription data in bulk, or migrate your entire store to a new site with a few clicks. The plugin handles simple, variable or grouped products, including attributes, variations, and custom metadata without extra hassle. Create full Excel backups or snapshots of your store anytime, great for audits, migrations, or restoring after issues. Forget about messy CSVs or complex formats. This plugin works with regular Excel.xlsx files. If you know Excel, you're ready. Migrate your entire WooCommerce store data moves cleanly between sites with Excel, bulk store management and migration, full data control products, orders, customers, and more. Fast Excel-based workflow, no technical skills required. All-in-one WooCommerce Migration. Import and export to Excel by WPFactory, the all-in-one tool to manage, migrate, or backup your store data. Get it today.